Okay guys, stop me diri kadiyot guys.
There's a subway there.
Oh.
Favorite place.
Yep, here is the city of Logan. Yan ang Logan guys.
Starbucks, of course. It's nice. Look at it.
Yes, nice here. Look.
Looks like a mall.
Yeah, a lot of store. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video guys, we going to Bear Lake. Yay! We here now in Ogden, Utah. We go to Idaho, Utah border.
I think Brigham City's up here next.
So samahan ninyo kami guys sa aming mamasyal guys. Para mag-enjoy sa mga scenic view guys. Ito oh. Yun ang view ng mountain ng Utah guys. Yan. Yun ang highway. Dito na kami sa highway guys. Mga 2 hours ang biyahe guys to Bear Lake, Utah border. There he is.
Ugly view.
Have no view here.
Power
Okay.
lines and old buildings.
Let's see later guys. Guys. So yun guys, ang view. The mountain view. Yan. Okay guys, dito na kami sa
Brigham City.
Brigham City. So,
Close you can get.
yun guys, ang mountain.
Speed limit 55 here.
Ang mountain patungo ng Bear Lake. So ipakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano ang mga view dito, mga scenic view guys. Patungo ng Bear Lake guys. Yun si RJ oh. What you do RJ? Yun ang mga building dito. This is the motorcycle. Mga sakyanan, mga cars, mga trucks.
Sucking the gas down.
Yan. But the view is easy today. Colorful tree guys. Yun ang kalsada dito guys oh. Curve ang kalsada dito. Lake.
Me too, I think.
I not know if you can see guys the lake there.
It's a small
There is
lake.
small lake there guys. Mantua. I not know if Mantua now this one eh. Here you go. There is guys the scenic. Look at that.
Ear popped. Oh my gosh, I think my ear popped fully.
You hear louder now?
I can hear the under of the highway.
Yep, that highway's loud.
It's easy today. It's 2 hours drive to the lake. To Bear Lake. In the Garden City. Yun guys, ang mga punong kahoy oh, ang liit-liit. Hindi pa riyan ng Pilipinas na ang lalaki ng mga punong kahoy. Dito ang liit lang dahil desert to. sa Logan, guys. Logan.
There's the Logan Walmart.
Yan. Logan.
I gotta pull over.
Ayan.
What?
Yun ang Logan.
There's Wendy's.
Proceed to the route.
Okay guys, stop me diri kadiyot guys.
There's Subway there.
Oh, adto na ta guys.
Favorite place.
Yep, here is the city of Logan. Yan ang Logan guys.
Starbucks, of course.
Logan, Utah.
It's nice. Look at it.
Yes, nice here. Look.
Looks like a mall.
Yeah, have a lot of store.
With a hotel behind it. Logan River.
Uh-oh. Logan River.
It is pretty nice.
Yes.
Nice to walk there. They have a walking trail.
Here, Pop.
Did it? Oh.
1 mile. Turn right onto East 400 North.
1 mile. Arjun, good college here.
Yep.
He's studying engineering.
Center Street. Wow, nice landscape. Look at this. A church. In it, no? Look like.
That is the old downtown, Logan. See the old section?
Main Street here.
Yeah, back in the 20s, they built them buildings like that.
A biker. Ganda dito, oh.
Huh?
Let's go.
So you sure this is bringing us to Bear Lake?
Wyoming.
Let's get a hotel. Burger King. Lobby now open.
Yeah, Bear Lake. This one we're going to. Bear Lake. Bear Lake.
Is this where we turn right here?
I not know. They're in the traffic light.
At the light, turn right onto East 400 North.
Is 400 north.
This is it.
There is the traffic light. Ta-da! There is the
For 39 miles,
39
continue straight.
outlet.
89 North?
I don't know. Stay in 89. Look at this, so high.
Look at the
You're
view
here
this
now
guy's
in
got.
the higher mountain.
Look at this building in front of us.
Yep, look at that.
Is that a hospital?
I don't know, maybe university.
Huntsman School of Business.
Business building.
Business school.
It is the view, guys. Cut in the lower part. There is.
This is a strange road. Wonder where the university is. Some major college here. Extreme, fire danger extreme today.
Oh
It's 91 degree right now.
my god, so
we're,
hot.
and we're in the mountains too.
Yep. at that house.
That's a water thing.
How to get the water there?
It's not being used anymore.
My goodness. Uh-oh, have become
Oh,
further.
look, it's fishing on the rock.
Oh, they go in the rock.
It's climbing it.
It's climbing.